Hey everyone, I'm Volha, a Notion expert and an engineer by profession, so I love when everything is clear, fast and neatly organized. Today I'm going to show you how I use Notion widget on my iPad and on my Android phone to keep everything at my fingertips. Let's dive in. First thing first, make sure you have the Notion app installed and updated. Then tap and hold anywhere on your home screen until the apps start jiggling. Tap the Edit button and you'll see options like Add Widget, Customize or Edit Pages. Choose Add Widget, then type Notion in the search bar and pick the widget you want. Let's start with my personal favorite, the Page widget. First, tap Add Widget, then tap on the widget that appears on your screen. You'll be able to choose your workspace and the exact page you want it to open. Now, here's how I use it. I've got a page called Buttons, with quick actions for all my databases. One tap and I'm adding a journal entry, logging an expense, or tracking my workouts. I also use it to track my health, record emotional or interesting events from life or work, and even save travel memories. Everything is just one tap away. The Favorites widget shows you all the pages you've started in Notion, perfect for quick access to your most used pages. When you are adding the widget, you'll notice there are different size options. Just swipe to choose between the small and large version. But don't worry, you can always resize it later by dragging the edges once it's on your screen. And one more thing. See that little plus in the bottom right corner? You can tap it to instantly create a new page in Notion. Super handy! Recent is pretty similar. It shows the pages you opened most recently. Same thing here. You can choose the size when you add it and adjust it anytime later by stretching or shrinking it. And yep, it's also got the same quick add button for new pages. And finally, Notion Calendar. This is my number one widget. It sits right on my main screen and shows all my events, tasks and calendar entries in one place. Whenever I tap on an event, it's opened straight into Notion with the old details. I never miss a thing. When you add the widget, you can choose between different layouts, like a list of upcoming events or a calendar view showing 1 or even 2 months. Just swipe through the options and pick the one that fits your best. Alright, Android users, I'm one of you too. I use Android as well. Here's how it works. Tap and hold anywhere on your home screen. Select Widgets and either scroll to find Notion or just type Notion into the search bar. Then drag your chosen widget right into the screen. Now here's one big difference from iPad. Android has a Quick Note widget and I absolutely love it. With just one tap, I can dump any idea or task into my task inbox database. Throughout the day, I jot down anything that comes to mind. Then later, I sort it all, assigns projects, deadlines, and priorities. It's the faster way to capture everything without even opening the full app. You can also get the Page widget here too, just like on iPad. I'll show you the same Buttons page I use for quick entries. From one screen, I can log expenses, track health, document emotional moments, or add travel memories. It's all in there. Favorites and recents work exactly the same. And yes, you can resize widgets here too. Just drag the edges to make them bigger or smaller. The Notion Calendar widget on Android only shows a list of upcoming events, unlike on iPad, where you can choose between list and full calendar views. Still super helpful, though it keeps everything in one place and opens the full app with a tap. So that's how I use Notion widgets on both iPad and Android. Quick recap: Quick Note for instant ideas, Page for fast access, Favorites and Recents for easy navigation, and the calendar for keeping track of it all. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment which widget you'll try first, and subscribe for more Notion tips. Bye!